Hello, I have introduced very important topic that is feminism. To remember all the people when we reached the school, firstly we teaching all Indians, my brothers and my sisters. I will be benevolent to everyone. And then, how did our sisters and mothers, even school children, molested and torturing every single day? Thousands of people experience very tragedy in our country. Consequently, all the lot of women people suicide and murder committed in our country. This country is very pathetic situation. What is this? Solve this problem. Only solve this problem. Please come with me. We will together think about it since next part. Goodbye.